Hello, Johnson Jaguar. Salam, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnson.
Hola, Johnson.
Jumbo, Johnson Jaguars.
Welcome, Johnson Jaguars!
Welcome to our first broadcast video of 2023 to 2024, and our newest member, Jaggy. Hello.
Johnson Pledge. I am a Johnson Jaguar.
I am a responsible learner.
I am safe.
I am respectful.
I'm productive.
I'm a Johnson Jaguar. Roar!
Be safe. Use the jump rope for jumping. Ask an adult on the playground if you need help learning how.
Be respectful. Help keep our school clean.
Be productive. Read every day at home. Make sure you have plenty of books. Our lending library can help.
Let's
get on with the show.
Bye.
Bye!
Congratulations to another group of parents who graduated Parent University. Thanks to Miss Reed, Miss Rhodes, and Miss Samar for helping them.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. My name is Saleya.
And I'm Jaggy.
And this is Monkey. And I'm going to be talking about National Country Cooking Month. National Country Cooking Month is where you get to get all this yummy, delicious food. Look at all this food.
I just want to eat it.
I just want to eat it. Is there bananas?
No.
No,
Stop
there's
thinking
no
about
bananas.
bananas.
And it is to spend time with your family and your loved ones, and to cook food for your elders and your mom and dad. My favorite food is macaroni.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, Chris. You ready? Great job.
Hello, my name is iReady, and today I'll be talking about field day. Yay! Field day is a lot of fun. Did you have fun? Let's watch the pictures.
Jumping. Every, 1, 2, 3. Say field day.
Field was amazing.
Happy birthday to you. The following adults have birthdays in June and July. Mrs. Spar, Mr. Martinez, Miss Quirk, Miss Shroka, Miss Lori, Miss Ross, Mrs. Hirschmiller, Miss Kassab. In July, the birthdays are Miss Crawford, Miss Wiedner, Miss Claudia, Miss Myra, and Mrs. Lindsley. If there's anybody in your class that has a June or July birthday, please pause the video and sing happy birthday.
Johnson Jaguars.
Today we are going to talk about healthy foods.
A type of healthy foods are banana or apple.
Healthy foods can be delicious. For example, my favorite healthy food, pears.
Healthy foods are very beneficial for your health.
An example of beneficial fruits is oranges and cherries.
Bye, Johnson Jaguars.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. Today we're interviewing Miss Maury. Say hi, Miss Maury.
Hi.
So, what do you do here at Johnson?
I am a campus aide. I supervise students while they're eating lunch and lunch recess.
So, you have another job, right?
Yes, I also help out transportation. I'm a sub van driver. I take kids home.
How long have you been here at Johnson?
Going on 6 years now.
That's a lot.
I started as a substitute and permanent job, I believe, 2 years. I like to go on walks with my dog. I like to paint with my daughter, and I like gardening.
Those sound like fun hobbies.
Yes.
Thank you for letting me interview you.
Thank you for asking.
Bye, Johnson Jaguars.
Watch out, second grade. I know science. First, caterpillars turn into eggs. Second, they are caterpillars. Third, they are chrysalis. Last, they turn into butterflies.
Category is school words, okay? Word. Fath.
Not fast, math.
Good. Mayans.
Not Mayan, science.
Flusic.
Not music, music.
Good. Gymnasium.
Gymnasium.
Whoa. Intelligent.
Intelligent. G.
Change E to oi.
Joy. Joy.
Wow. Your word is luck.
Luck. Luck.
Change to
Look.
Good job. Guess what, everybody? You are done with Congratulations, Mr. Martinez. Your kids are ready for 3rd grade.
Watch out, 4th grade. I know how to do fractions.
Out, 5th graders. 4th graders are artists. Look at that. Hi, Johnson Jaguars.
I'm Yara, I'm Adrian, and I'm Alina. And today we're going to talk about duos, bowling, picnic, and promotion. This is all for 5th grade. Duos. But for my duo, I have Ms. Villalobos as my teacher. She's a great teacher, and she's really good at teaching. So let's get on with my duo. My next slide would be my 3 things about me. The other slide would be about your riot set codes: realistic, social, and investigative.
These are the coats that you had to put on for your rice coats. And this one is my favorite, but I don't think we're going to have time for it. But this is the video, and my future job is to be a police officer. Thanks for watching. Bye. Get ready for bowling.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. Today I'll be talking about the 5th grade bowling field trip.
First, where are my bowling glasses? Have you seen them?
On your head? Okay, so anyway, we're going to Parkway Bowl, and it's going to be so much fun. We can get snacks, have fun bowling, and all the fun activities. Are you guys going bowling?
Yes.
No.
I went a few times, but I think I could get a strike this time.
You can still get better.
I have never been bowling.
But bowling is really fun. Like, again, I said, Parkway Bowl. You guys should maybe bring your family and friends to visit them. It's a really fun place. They also have an arcade. Now let's take a tiara.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. Today we will be talking about 5th grade
Promotion.
5th graders. You will need to dress very nicely for promotion. Bring your family members, sister, brother, dad, whoever takes care of you.
Promotion starting at 8:30.
And for all the classes, it'll start at 10:15.
See you at the 5th grade promotion.
Bye.
Congratulations to the 5th grade class of 2024. I wish you the best, and I leave you with 2 messages. 1, work hard, play hard. 2, always do the things you love. Be true to yourself. If you do that, you will always end up with best friends. Good luck, and do your best in middle school.
Hello, 5th graders. Mrs. Spar here. I am super excited for your promotion. I'm really looking forward to it. I have watched you go through your entire elementary career, kinder, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. And it has been really fun watching you grow and learn and end up where you are now. You did a terrific job on your demonstrations of learning, and I know that you're ready to take this next big step from finishing elementary school and entering middle school.
We have 2 retirements this year. Miss Gilmore and Miss Miriam are retiring. We wish you all the best. And this summer, Miss Gilmore will become a grandma. Congratulations. We will miss you both. And that's a wrap. The last day of school is Thursday, June 13th. We will get out at 1 o'clock and your report cards will go home. Enjoy your summer, Jaguars!
Where are my fashionable glasses at?
It's on your head.
Yeah, for the last time.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to say that.
What?
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. Today we're gonna be telling you about. Oh, I'm Jair.
And I'm Ahmed.